Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have our Goldie Box, so let's get into it and check out our summer Goldie Box. If you are new to Goldie Boxed, Goldie Boxed was started by Jessica over at Everything Proof Beauty. I will link her below. I will link the box below. I will put my code Kathrin10 and the link that will take you to this and get you 10% off. Be sure and use the Kathrin10. She tells me sometimes when people sign up, they forget to use the code. So be sure and use the Kathrin10 if you do this for 10% off your first box. This is the gold box. I am a Gold Bear member. She does a bronze box, a silver box, and a gold box. And what is different about Goldie Boxed is you will know everything that could be in your box before you pay, and you get to choose. And if it doesn't suit you, you can skip the month, you can do whatever you want. And that's the beauty of Goldie Box, is you know what you're gonna get. And you don't have to choose from categories. I always try and think of the most succinct way to do this. So let me just say, if you're a bronze bear, it is $29.99. You will choose 3 items from 14 items, plus she will throw in a bronze bear bonus. If you are a silver bear, it is $44.99. You will choose 5 items from 15 because the silver bears have an exclusive silver bear bonus. So that is added into your customization choices. So you will choose 5 from 15 products you completely choose, plus she will throw in 2 bonuses. If you are a gold bear, it will be $59.99, but you will choose 7 choices from 16 items because you can choose from the gold bear exclusive and you can choose from the silver bear exclusive. So you actually have 16 items to choose from. You will choose 7 and then you will have 3 bonus items. Okay, I think that covered it. So basically, you get to go in, you look at the items, everybody has the original 14 and then there's 1 added for a silver bear and 1 added for a gold bear, but you as a gold can also pick the silver. Okay, if you have any questions about that, let me know below. But the main takeaway is everybody chooses from the same set of items except for the exclusive ones. Not different categories, it's just one huge category. And you pick, like if you are a bronze bear, you can choose the 3 most expensive items because you can choose any 3 you want in the customization. If by chance something you wanted sells out and you're unhappy with the box, you can skip it that month. She makes it so easy on us. So I just wish, don't you wish FabFitFun would do that? Would be like, here's what you can choose from this month. What would you like? That would be awesome. Well, that's what Jess does. Also, for each box sold, she plants a tree and she sends us emails that updates how many trees have been planted because of the box. And I love getting that. This is what we have on the inside. I do choose the paperwork because it's easier for me when I'm sitting up here talking with you guys, but you can receive this in an email, so you save a tree. And she uses recycled boxes as part of her packing. She just does everything she can for the environment. Just decided if she was gonna do a box, it was going to represent her and what was important to her. So it will always be like cruelty-free, and we have the trees and the reduced packaging. So this is a heavy little box. It is chock full. I am impressed with whether Jess packed this or one of her people that helps her did. This is a very impressive packaging. The paperwork tells us all of the items that were available in the box. So when we're done, I'll go over what I didn't choose so you'll know what you could have chosen from. And I'll be letting you know here if the summer box is still available. We pick the box for the next season on the first day of that season. So we will customize our fall box on the first day of fall. That's kind of cool too. And just for the record, there is another bear I did not discuss. It's the surprise bear and it's $21.99 and you get 3 items that Jess picks for you, but she does it after you fill out a survey so she finds out what kind of things you like. First out, right on top and well packed to protect the top, we have a pomegranate hand and body cleanser by Amina. How gorgeous is that? Look at that pink. I love it. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, that smells fruity and fresh and nice. Oh, that's like summer in a box. This right here represents summer, and it's AMNH. I said Amina because when you go to the site, it's amina.com, but it's AMNH technically is the brand. This has a $20 value, and it's an all-natural vegan hand and body cleanser, and we could have chosen it in pomegranate or gardenia peach, and I chose pomegranate. So just know, I chose all of these items, which means it's not necessarily the most expensive items in the box. I picked what I knew I'd use because that makes the most sense. Next out, we have a J&L. That is what it looks like. And I believe this is a vegan salt scrub. And the reason I chose it is because we have had other J&L products that I have really liked. I love that they come with a little scoop. It's a little wooden scoop. How cute is that? And then this is the scrub. This is what their products always look like. Was that upside down? No, it was not upside down. Yay me. It's had a $15.99 value, so when I recap at the end, I will be saying 16. All natural vegan salt scrub and eco-friendly packaging, comes in lavender or mint. I chose lavender, I would bet. Yes, lavender is what I chose. So when we open it up, it's just, I'm not gonna tilt it too much. See how it's wrapped in paper, but see how you can see? Can I open it without making it? No, I cannot open it without making a mess. Oh, it smells so good though. Yeah, I'll be using this evening. That smells fantastic. My box smelled good and I couldn't work out what it was in my box that smelled so good. And it's this. It's got a lavender scent to it, but it's kind of an earthy lavender. Honestly, I think I could get my husband to use this. It's pink Himalayan salt, Dead Sea salt, organic coconut oil, extra virgin olive oil, and lavender essential oil. It must be very light on the lavender essential oil because it smells good, but it's not overwhelming. So you'll just do a couple scoops. Does it tell us how much? It doesn't. Put in however much you'd like. Consciously created in the USA, vegan, paraben-free, cruelty-free, and sustainable. Next out, we have a 10 Anchored Northwest Sun-Kissed, and the notes are lemon peel, orange peel, grapefruit, mandarin, orange, tangerine, agave, citrus, sugar, and lime. I guess it's not for my body. Yes, it's a candle. It's one of the wooden wick. Oh my goodness. That smells amazing. Oh my gosh. I've got to go to her shop and see if she's got more of these. That is the happiest citrusy. That is a gorgeous scent. And I love the woodwick candle, so you get a little bit of crackle crackle for ambiance. Let me show you the front again because it's Anchored Northwest is the brand and it's called Sun-Kissed. This has a $14.50 value, so it's a good price. Wooden wick travel tin candle. The scent Sun-Kissed, a fruit citrus blend. Yeah, this isn't traveling. This is getting lit in my kitchen tonight. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. I hope the throw is even half as good as this cold scent because, oh my gosh, that is amazing. Anchored Northwest, I see you. All right, I'll be finding more out about them. And if Jess is using them, you know there's something else good about them. It doesn't say on here, but I will go and check it out because if she's using them, I would argue that there's something about the wick they use or the wax. There's something more we need to know about this. Next out, we have the Tropical Naturals Scalp Treatment. I picked this because I use this. I use this and I have the one from Earth Harbor. I love oils on my hair. I put them on before I wash because if I use them after I wash, nothing good can come of that. But I have this, I use it, I really like it. And honestly, I picked it up for a giveaway because I want to spread the love. I have been using oils on my hair lately and I am seeing such reduced breakage. It's amazing. So that is what it looks like in here. I'm not going to open it because it's just an oil to show you guys because it's just an oil. And I want to be able to pass it along. I can smell it through the package though, and it smells so good. And this says it's an all-natural hair serum formulated for dry or oily scalps, helps dandruff and promotes hair growth. I don't have any dandruff, so I don't have really any technically scalp problems, but hair growth, I've been doing, since I've gotten it cut, it's so much happier. But like I said, I'm seeing a lot less breakage up top from using the oils. Next out, what is this? I forget. Oh, right. This is from Bloom Paper Company. Look how cute they are. This is just bookmarks. It's the new, they're everywhere. The new magnetic bookmarks. It's just kind of like a paper, but it's got a coating on it to help protect it. And they look like that. This one looks like oranges. Oh, that's so cute. But inside, it's just two magnets. So you'll be reading your book, you'll get to where you want to stop, and you just put it over top, close your book, and that's all you have sticking out. But it's protecting your spot. So that is so cute. I thought that, you know why I got these? Less about reading. I will probably use one for whichever book I'm in. But you guys know, and I have told you so many times, I use notebooks like crazy, and I'm in different places in all of them. And I thought, what a great way to mark my place and go back to where last I was keeping notes. It says these fresh fruit magnetic bookmarks are handmade, and it's a set of 4 for $12. So yeah, this is full oranges. This looks like orange slices, strawberries, and lemons. Let me see if I can get that better for you guys. So cute. And it's the Bloom Paper Company. Okay, next I have, speaking of, I love to write things down, I chose a notebook. It's by LSW A5 notebook, 192 ruled pages. I chose this, and the reason I chose this one, I will show you why I chose this one. I chose this one because, you know what, I'm just gonna rip that off. I thought it would travel well because it's paper. It's a real heavy, I mean, it's a heavy paper cover, but I liked the idea of that. I journal, I just thought this was so pretty. Like I said, you guys know I love to write things down. It's by LSW, and the paperwork says LSW London, $14.95, A5 notebook with a green soft cover, debossed with gold accents, 192 ruled pages. I just can't pass up a notebook. And last out, I have Dreambox Beauty Hydra Eye Patch. Soothes, hydrates, and tightens. I forget why I chose these, just used them. Oh yeah, apply your favorite serums or moisturizers. Gently remove and position the Hydra patches on your eyes. Leave on for 20 to 30 minutes, and you can reuse them. So you're using your own serums or moisturizers, whatever you want to put on them. And as a girl, you guys know, with the most sensitive skin probably possible, I love the idea of a way to put on and protect maybe an extra dose of serum that I've chosen. Just my own serum, so I know it's nothing that I'm gonna react to or have a bad reaction to. Put it on these and just sit there and let it soak in. That's the perfect world for me. And I think she said yes, remove the Hydra patch, wash gently under warm water with mild soap, air dry, return the patch to its plastic backing, and store in a cool, dry place. And it says it's reusable up to 50 times. Let's see if we can see this. Doesn't that sound interesting? Like I said, especially if you like the idea of using your own products. Oh, and they're pink, so what's not to love? So in theory, you just put a little bit of your serum on there, apply it yourself, sit back, relax. This is a great idea. And this says reusable eye patches, add your own serum or eye cream and use up to 50 times. So all the information I needed was in Jeff's little, Jeff. Let's call her Jeff now. Jessica's little notes, and it has a $20 value. So the value of my box so far in just the items that I chose is $134.50. So that's just the items I chose. That's not the bonus items yet. And it was $59. So it meets my, I think for a box to truly feel like a value, I think you feel best if you double your money, especially in a box where you're picking everything. So you know before you get it if you like it or not. And if you don't, you can just not get it that season. So yeah, I will absolutely use every one of these products except for the scalp treatment, which I am technically using. I just got this to be able to pass along because I've been doing a few more giveaways lately. All right, let's talk summer bonuses. The Bronze Bear box. This is the Bella and Olive handmade, vegan, and all-natural travel-sized lotion full of moisturizing butters and oils. A little goes a long way, scents will vary, and it had a $6 value, and I got orange. Oh, it smells delicious. It smells just like orange. Oh, all right. It's very thick. I just got a little to come out. That is what it looks like. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, it's orangey and nice. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. And it feels so hydrating on the back of my hand. Like it's definitely got like, does it say shea butters? I'm gonna have to go to the website, but it's bellaolive.com and it's all natural, cruelty free. But look how, see how it made the back of my hand just shiny? It feels like it's just got like nice thick shea butter in it maybe. Oh, it feels great. If you are a silver bear, you received that, and you also received this, which is a zero waste bamboo charcoal floss. Everything is made from recyclable or compostable material. This product is vegan and cruelty free, and it has a $9.99 value. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, so it comes out the top. I was immediately enamored of it. So it comes in a little glass container. Hear it in there? And it's got the top already started. I'm not gonna take it out because, you know, who knows what's on my hands for my mouth, but Echo Roots Bamboo Floss. The little container is amazing. You know, to tuck that in something when you're gonna travel. Yeah, I think so. With activated charcoal, biodegradable polymer, Candelilla plant wax, organic peppermint oil, and organic tea tree oil. It is a zero-waste bamboo charcoal floss. Everything is made from recyclable or compostable material, and the product is vegan and gluten-free. And finally, If you are a Gold Box member, you will receive both of the 2 bonuses that I've showed you, and also this. And what is this? This is a Design Imports Fun Fruit or Summer Themed Dish Towel. 100% machine washable, created with an easy hook corner for hanging to dry or decoratively. It is made in India and $7.99. The fabric is that cotton fabric that feels like it's going to be super absorptive. I was trying to ooch the string off, but I have other means of getting the string off. Oh wow, it's huge. Can you guys, that is so awesome. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. I will absolutely use this. I love dish towels in here. We use them for so many things. And this back corner has the strap on it. And it's just a nice little cotton strap. It is 100% cotton, made in India. And my summer theme is just this nice blue ticking, which I like. Yeah, I've just said in another video very recently, I just made a little bit ago, that I'm trying to introduce blue into my home. So this is perfect. Well, of course, now I've cut the string, so I have no means of holding it all together. That is an understatement. So that is the Gold Bear bonus. All right, the bonuses total is, see if I can quick math this, $24. So between my choices and the bonus items, the value of my box is $158.50. So basically, almost just $1 short of what it cost, $59.99, and then $100 worth of stuff free. $158.50 for a $59 box. I actually put it back in here as I was finished with it really nicely, except for the towel. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do this. So this is my summer Goldie Box. How fantastic is that? I will use everything in it, like I said, except for the Trouvailles, which I chose as a giveaway. Even the bonuses, this orange, oh, it smells so good. The little floss for travel, and come on, who doesn't need new kitchen towels? Really quickly, the items that you could have chosen, in case like what I chose may not be what you wanted for your box, was an Almost Famous 2-in-1 exfoliating brush, 550,000 soft bristle side for cleanser and silicone scrubber side for exfoliating. Easy to use, $30 value. The Ampere Creations small vegan leather crossbody with adjustable straps and brass hardware, and that had a $38 value. The Bali Balm bee-friendly all-natural lip balm made in Bali, set of 2 in lemon pepper or grapefruit bergamot. Then we had the Doodle Hog Beach Bum Blues tie-dye kit. Family-friendly item. Oh, I didn't do the family-friendly. Easy to use, multiple uses per box, $11.99. And I've always done the family-friendly item in my box just to show you guys that she always has a family-friendly item in the box, but I decided tie-dye was not somewhere I wanted to go with the grandkids. I just made that decision. You could have had the Home W set of 2 crystal butterfly dishes, can be used for candy, trinkets, jewelry, and more, $22.95. The Julia Rose silicone wine cup, perfect for the pool, beach, or camping, comes in blue waves or pink leopard, $12.50. The Maui Vera organic sunburn relief that uses the power of aloe and noni, a Polynesian skincare secret, $12.99. The Minimo Bounce Watermelon Under Eye Cream that helps with puffiness and fine lines, works for all skin types, $19.95 value. Also, Jess said she loves this brand, and you know, Jess is all about, she can tell you about good skincare. And the only reason I didn't get it is I'm using the City Beauty under my eyes, and it is the first thing I've ever used in my life that is making a difference with my dark under eye circles. And there's the Zen Aroma Clip Aroma Car Diffuser. It's an alternative to disposable car air fresheners. Add essential oil and refill as often as you'd like, and it had a $15.99 value. So that would have been all of your choices. If there's something I didn't cover or you have any questions, just let me know below. Again, I will put the link and my code, Kathrin10, which will get you 10% off your first box, doesn't matter what size it is. And I think that covers it. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. I really appreciate you taking the time to be here. I'm always so thrilled to show this box. You know, Jess and I became friends through YouTube. We kind of met each other, we started talking in Insta, and we just really became in real life friends. We've met, and knowing her has just been a blessing for me. So I am so proud that she started this box and how well it's going. And I wanted to show you guys what I chose for summer. So I will see you again really soon, I hope. Thank you for coming by. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. Have a great evening, guys. Bye.